Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class, Standard 7th, Economics, Unit 1. Tax and its importance. Today class discuss the topic types of tax. In modern time, taxes are classified into two types. There are indirect tax, direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax. A direct tax is paid directly by an individual or organization to imposing entity. A taxpayer, for example, pays direct taxes to the government for different purposes, including real property tax, personal property tax, income tax, and taxes on assets. Do you know? The Central Board of Revenue Bureaucrated and a separate board for district taxes known as Central Board of Direct Taxes, constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963. Corporation tax. It is levied on benefit of corporations and companies. It is charged on royalties, interest, gains from sale of capital assets located in India, fees for technical services and dividends. Next, wealth tax. It is imposed on property of individuals depending upon the value of property. The same property will be taxed every year on its current market value. Gift tax. It is paid to the government by the recipients of gift depending on value of gift. Next, estate duty. It is charged from successor of inherited property. It is not desirable to avoid payment of taxes. They are levied directly on income and property of persons who pay directly to the government. Next, discuss the topic indirect taxes. On the other hand, when liability to pay a tax is on one person and burden of that tax shifts on some other person. This type of tax is called an indirect tax. Indirect tax is a tax whose burden can be shifted to others. For example, service tax. Service tax. It is raised on provision of service. This tax is collected from the service recipients and paid to the central government. Sales tax or VAT. It is an indirect tax on sale of goods because liability to collect tax is that of shopkeeper, but the burden of that tax falls on the customer. The shopkeeper realizes a tax amount from the customer by including it in the price of the commodity that he sells. Excise duty. It is paid by producer of goods who recover it from wholesalers and retailers. This tax in India is levied by the central government. Entertainment tax. The state governments charge such tax on every transaction related to entertainment. Some examples are movie tickets, video game arcades, stage shows, exhibition, amusement park and sports related activities. GST, Goods and Service Tax. Goods and service tax is a kind of tax imposed on sale, manufacturing and usage of goods and services. This tax is applied on service and goods at a national level with the purpose of achieving overall economic growth. GST is particularly designed to replace the indirect taxes imported on goods and services by the central and state. Next, toll tax and road tax. Toll tax is a tax you often pay to use any form of infrastructure that developed by the government. Example, roads and bridges. The tax amount levied is rather negligible, which is used for maintenance and basic upkeep of a particular project. The Swiss border cess. This is a cess imposed by the government of India and was started from 15th November 2015. This tax is applicable on all taxable service and the cess currently stands at 0.5%. Swiss border cess is levied over and above the 40% service tax that is prevalent in the present times. The distinction between direct and indirect tax. Direct tax burden cannot be shifted by taxpayer. Tax is imposed on personal income and corporate income. Direct tax has no inflation pressure. The impact or incidence are the same in the case of direct tax. Direct tax is a less elastic. Indirect tax easily be shifted to another person. Tax imposed on various goods and services. This tax has inflation pressure. The impact and the incidence are different in case of indirect tax. Indirect tax is more elastic. Thank you.